Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add pictures to your video on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below and select a video, or you can also select from the items that you have already added to the app. And after that you should click on the plus icon down below, which is the first option, and now tap on capture, and you should take a picture with your phone or by tapping on this camera icon, or you can also take a video and then click on this check mark icon, and here you will be able to see all of the items that you have created, and now these are added to your video, as you can see in this section, which is indicated with this orange frame. So if you tap on it, you can either split it or duplicate it, separate the audio, or delete it as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.